Welcome to my Clean Code Ninja course. Are you tired of working with messy and inefficient code and you want to write top-notch high-quality code like Google engineers? Well, you are in the right place. Whether you are a newbie or a seasoned developer looking to enhance your skills, this course is for you. Together, we'll unlock the power of clean code. In this series, we will dive into the art of writing clean, efficient, and maintainable code that will increase your code quality 1000% and will definitely make your life easier. If you fully grasp and practice the concepts learned from this course, you can easily land your dream job. This course requires you to have at least 3 months of experience in object-oriented programming language like C++, JavaScript, or Java. We will be using TypeScript in this series, but you can practice the concepts presented in this course in any language of your choice. At last, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you will never miss any videos. I'll see you in the first episode of our Clean Code series.